actually see that, but this is it. This is my fucking building and my fucking neighbors. Wow, look how many people are there. The possible earthquake just happened at the southern eastern part of the Tehran, and it has nothing to do with these people, and but they're just out there, and they're camping in freezing cold in like a public park or whatever, and with children and whatever. It's just ridiculous, stupid things. But people are overprotecting in Iran when it comes to the family. I can't just go inside the park and film people. They're camping or whatever. Just take it as whatever you see here is just outside the park, and there are like thousands of, not thousands, but hundreds of people inside the park camping in freezing cold. People are going for camping or whatever in the park, and sleep in a park or whatever, any public place. Because they know they build up on like piggy straw houses, and all of the buildings just about to collapse just on their own. So earthquake, just tiny earthquake, is just gonna help the whole thing to just collapse on whatever. So the whole idea is just the stupidity of the people, but they're not gonna learn any lesson or whatever. They're just doing their own business, and it's like living with the stupid nature. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another footage maybe.